This video is part of our series about Boleslawiec Polish pottery. You can see all the videos in that series in our channel. If you've not yet subscribed, subscribe and you'll get easy access to that channel. So please subscribe now. And now let's get on with the subject of this video. When you're in Warsaw, you can visit two stores that sell Boleslawiec Polish pottery. The first is an extension of the Zaklad Boleslawiec factory. You get very good prices on what is available. One must say, however, that their selection is somewhat limited. The pottery that is offered is generally some of the most popular in terms of form and pattern. When you go there, you get very good prices, in fact, factory prices, on a good basic selection of pottery. There are several thousand pieces in a store and you can spend quite a bit of time picking and choosing. But you must be careful as to what you choose. It is not so much related to the particular pieces, but the amount, because they do not arrange shipping for you. So once you buy, you must carry it home with you or arrange your own shipping. This Boleslawiec extension store is located at ulica Prosta 2/14, Warsaw, Poland. It is really quite easy to get to because it is just a few hundred meters from the metro and tram stops at Rondo ONZ. There is a link below this video that takes you to a map so you can find it easily. The second store is located at 49 Aleja Jaroslimskie, Warsaw, Poland. It is just across from the Palace of Culture and very easy to get to. There is a link to a map in the information below this video. It is a private store with a special relationship with Zaklad Boleslawiec factory. It has an absolutely beautiful selection of Boleslawiec Polish pottery. If you like special colors and patterns, this is the place to go. The prices are higher than at the other store. One can expect that because it is a private business located in an absolutely prime location. We recommend that you visit both stores before you buy anything. Check the selections and check the prices. You may, however, find it most convenient to buy directly from the factories and have them shipped to you. The two stores shown here offer only what is offered by Zaklad Boleslawiec itself. There are other factories in Boleslawiec, Poland that also have absolutely beautiful pottery. Contact information to them is in a link below this video. You can buy direct from many factories. They, of course, will ship for you. Contact and information and catalogs for these companies is in a link you find below this video. We recommend strongly that you look at that information prior to making any purchases of Polish pottery, regardless of the location of the seller. It can save you money and show you things that you did not know existed. Okay, that's it for now. Now I want to hear from you. Tell me what you think of this video. If you can add something, please do that too. Some of your information may be better than mine, so don't hesitate. Use the comments box below so everyone can see what you have to say. And please do subscribe. While you're subscribing, ring the bell so that you're notified by YouTube when we post a new video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.